In this video I'm going to show you a new feature on the welcome page, which is the news flash. So here you can upload any important information or just any general news, and whenever anybody logs into the system, this is what they'll see in the welcome page. So this is one we've done previously. You can upload attachments also. Here now, to do that and to set the news flash, you come into My Company and News Flash here. Here are ones that we've got previous. To create a new one, you click here, give it a name. So it could be COVID rules updated. Could be anything like please wear a face mask. For example, you can customize them to using these buttons here to whatever you want. Once you save that, this is now where you can attach a document here. Very simple, just like other areas of the software. And when you want to make this one active, that's where you tick here. However, you can only have one news flash active at once. So if you want to maybe list multiple different things, then I would do so in the body of text. So underneath, you could go COVID rules updated here instead, and save that. That will appear on the welcome page here. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching the video.